If you're a die-hard Nissan fan, you have to visit this place. This is Nissan's Nismo Omori Factory, located at Daikokucho, Yokohama, Japan. About 40 minutes from Yokohama Bay area and 12 minutes from the iconic Daikoku parking area. It is an official one-stop shop for all things Nismo. Here we have the actual shop, where customers can bring in their Nismo and performance Nissans over for restoration, tuning and general servicing. Apart from being the R&D grounds for genuine Nismo performance parts, you can also buy them straight from the shop and have them installed. Don't worry, this place is not reserved for GTR owners only, as the public can enjoy cool Nissan memorabilia scattered across the showroom. You can see precious pieces of Nissan's motorsports history, technical feats, real-world achievements, and the very products for their success. Scared on spoiling too much? Afraid not, because they'll rotate these showcase cars ever so often. You also get a splash on exclusive merch and parts, and besides, seeing these iconic JGTC and Super GT machines up close and personal is a whole different experience of its own. So next time you're in town, make sure you put this place on the list.